guys, Alex here, your preferred real estate broker from Cagayan de Oro. Today, I will be giving you a tour of a new listing that I have here in Kauswagan. So this is not a house and lot, but this is a warehouse. So warehouses are really in demand here in CDO because almost every week I get inquiries looking for warehouses in Cagayan de Oro, inquiries from different companies. So that's why I decided to give you a tour of this new listing because you might need this warehouse. So currently we are in the first warehouse. This is a 500 square meter warehouse. Parking space can fit 2 trucks and 2 smaller vehicles. It also comes with an office space, which is right over here. I'll be showing it to you later. And it has a toilet and bath, actually 2 toilet and baths, one here in the office space, in the office area, and one at the back. And the office also has an area for the kitchen. Okay, so, and then the next warehouse that I'll be showing you is right beside this one, but we won't be able to get inside because they're still renovating it. So that warehouse is 300 square meters and it has the same, it also has an office space as well and a toilet and bath. So for this 500 square meter warehouse, the rent is at 78,000 per month, and the warehouse right beside it at 300 square meters, the rent is at 68,000 per month. Okay, so let's check out the warehouse.